Yes. Out of a High Express GH TV host Lucky. And I want to be a dear Mesro. And your first time now, we can subscribe your Mesro. So over subscribe to this YouTube channel. Yes, notification bell on me a beba. What do one sabe boss so I'm a non a beba me an update be also one side I can venture in the form of Atina so I na here papa it's in a prepare comment section so Edia to so dear mamma was similar na yen kwa yensem esway. Meanwhile, William Express GATV and 7 year kikabum kama pa Emma ya kona some trending some details some dika and I never some more was our platform can see we so na se we share screen so yes Papa fe bi edda so what so about Joseph na yin nim say friend say Peter Odochi what you say yes Peter Odochi were one of the veteran Nigerian actors awaji dimpa na ne ba be a friend say you Odochi yes you Odochi aba be kan say media fasa papa na sem no nsem asa wo obi a wo pese wo ye papa da ache de a wo so betimi afasa nsem no che ade atu ho fotu de ekọ na enti nsem ono so ka ede fa ono akasa ne papa ho o mi nu nyina actors. Also, those days, as a kid, when we had malaria, my mom could spend so long petting and begging you to take your Nivaquine drugs, which was very bitter then. When that started no work, she will now send someone to go call Popsy. What you say, Popsy? No, 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 papa. Omo, once my dad comes into the room, standing at the door, staring at you with his mean face and his belt in hands, bros, you go rush your drug instantly and be happy after taking them. And once he's around, you must take your drugs with water, no matter how bitter it is. No drink for you, just water. Popsy was straight to a fault. Him no get time to pet you. No nonsense, man. Those days we they fear him all. Now I appreciate him so much. He made me as tough. Ebu Bedike of Africa at Peter Odochi. I love this man. My man forever. According to a brand ten sem no nyina e kan bobo anu chireche mu na opa kire se ne papa you obi a na what threaten wo ye because na ne papa ye very tough. What you say? It is that tough na ne papa dey treat wo mo ne amono so aba be ye be ma ono so obenya sa suahunu no na ono so e dey atu eye ne bafo ti obi ye papa wo ha akwada wo se ye dey ye so no so ye tia no se na be ya bibia so betimi akoso wa no oni express TV se ba ne se futuo di a de be His Excellency Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo, yes, video be a security. Ababa will be a friend say, wa Brunio say whatever. Eki can send me the affair. His Excellency Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo, so any sad chick, Udin or any say, and yes, some no air turning around the sir. Now, if you was nigga, Ababa ye argument and Wababi Chuchu as Uncle for now, almost security our videos near the Adnote. A year video so Ababonti and also the Abitu as Uncle for an echo, Yako Afias was nigga so Embra.
And this will Ghana for me, man, I'm circulating pictures. No mood was saying any side checks. Now, so my penny and I do a trap picture. I have two social media. I'm in a guy into any dang society, any dang. Only another NTD. Would ever send another credit with NTD. Flag bearer band the one can house who only side checks. Mona was circulating and a resident is the side NTD. Only side check a crown bank behind. NTD sister. One quan will be a duo. Quapa baby's not one something. I'm a rich man. I don't need money. Only yes, can you amount 5 million, which in your own story. You amount 5 million, which you amount 2,000. You mean 2 hours, I say, 2,000. My, what's nothing? I don't pay up any penny, bro. Jana. Picture no real quarry. Yan dang. What to jet move a friend? Yan dang. Who catch is NTD?
Yes. Say His Excellency Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo, edige no when a sad check you was say NTD. Madjid aba bonti opening aba betu Shatta Wale efo na ye be coach Madjid afutuo no so dia ene say why I am here yes say why me here so aba be kan sem bi dia fa prison ni ade ho am was a woman who fake kidnapping in Takoradi jail 6 years. Next time you want to fake kidnap, think war. And on also cancer. Now, Dennis Joyce Berry said, who in their right mind will fake kidnapping? Are you kidding me? What you saying? And a life of grace, you say, same question I ask myself about Shatta Wale, who in his right mind would fake being shot. Well, let's wait and see the final verdict with his case. Nothing less than 6 years. And yet nothing less than 6 years. You can never equate Sir Joanna ne plan can to Shatta Wale die no Shatta Wale die no wonyina so. Say what you say an e wonyina so because ye chi Shatta Wale no ye be chi nipa no no so this fake prophecy ne dey there. E de ba bonte no eti star e de be ka Shatta Wale asem no e wo court no enye sa star na de be ka Joanna die no. Say what you say. Yes. Joanna die no wo planning no almost about a year. Shatta Wale die no the seconds and they take it that action no minua enye the same. Na Madjid Michael aba bonti opening aba betu Shatta Wale efo futuo no yensem editi na di kan pese otam kuchu na ye ko sa ansem no mu yie papa. Madjid Michael echirimu I say you can mess around with rules, you can even break them if you want, but laws, you don't mess around with laws. Listen, you don't break the law break you. You don't say I violate the law. You don't violate laws. Laws violate you. If you try to violate them, laws are different from rules. Rules are customs, limitations, and boundaries created by men. We create rules. Laws are not created or invented. Laws are discovered. You didn't create or invent the law, or gravity did you. Laws should never be subject to rules. When there is a conflict between a law and a rule, obey the law and forget the rule. Laws are there to protect you, not to restrict you. Successful people always break the rules for the sake of the law. Know the difference between laws and rules, and you will stay safe and successful. Don't forget, laws are not invented, they are discovered. Find them. God gives laws, what you say, not rules. Law, faith, and leadership. According to Papa Nensem Echirima, he's trying to teach us something different between rules and laws. It's according to no part say a law pa de ye Yakopon and a deba and a rules so a nipa de sani and a yede. As she say, it is a sadia and ye say Obi beka say because of Shatta Wale nti ene obi antimi hye kom e wo Ghana ha na say bibi sare de opa kire say da bi eno no eye law nti ye Nyankopon hyehye ye mu ade nti no obi antimi evaluate sare na emom say ye rules na ka yes ano ma ne de a anka say ne ye nipa da sani so ene ye de eye we so ne de ye nsaka e de afri Madjid Michael ni nyina ne say opese ye sua mbra na ekom mbra ne mu ye se ne be ya ye nantie mu ye fri ko ba mu nyina no ye de mbra eni sua hunu ene de be den e de be ye adwuma me nua mam na ase makraw